Parttrap ONE, the all-in-one B2B e-commerce platform. If you are a manufacturer or distributor of products, you have probably realized that it's a good idea to have web presence. In this way, potential customers can find your company and your products online through search engines. Maybe you are in the process of creating, or you already have a homepage with your corporate and product information available for visitors. However, the case could be that not all of your products, equipment, or spare parts are searchable online today. Or, if you offer configurable products that require a skilled salesperson or an engineer to be involved in the purchase, you may have decided not to offer these products online. Maybe it's time to reconsider. Equally important to having web presence, a feature-rich and user-friendly digital commerce portal is what your customers expect from you. You should be providing them with guided selling, where they can search, identify, configure the correct product, see the price and stock availability, as well as order online 24/7. And online customer self-service with business information such as order history, previous invoices, tracking, and others. Now that you have realized that this is the way to go, let us walk you through what is needed to achieve all of this. A CMS system to build a compelling website with great user experience. A PIM system to enrich your products with all the information needed to support the user's purchase decision. An e-commerce solution to enable the ordering process for multiple customer categories, and an integration to your ERP system to access customer unique pricing and terms, stock availability, product lead time, customer historical orders, and potential warranty information. One way of getting a digital e-commerce portal is by using individual modules from different suppliers and letting someone assemble a complete system by integrating all pieces. But in this case, there are many parties involved in the process, so if there are any disruptions, you would have to contact each specific system supplier and force them to sync and find the issues. This could be both time-consuming and costly. The other solution is to choose an end-to-end, single-stack platform that eliminates the need to build connections between the modules. Here, there is one single supplier. Parttrap offers an all-in-one solution, combining all four systems into one. Keep on watching to find out why we believe that this is the preferred way to go. When you open a website, the first things you see are the header, menu, page content, and footer. All of this is controlled in the CMS module. The CMS system is also responsible for the navigation within a website, for the look and feel, and the way content is displayed on different devices. When you search for products, you start working with the product data. You can filter the products by categories and technical attributes. Once you click on a product and land on what is called the product detail page, more modules become involved. The header and the menu are still from the CMS system, but now we have images and technical attributes which come from the PIM system. There are tables with information and suggested related products which are also taken from the PIM. Some information such as live data comes from the ERP system. The main product description and the part number are from the ERP, and so are the stock availability and price. If you sell a wide range of products, you can create a template in the CMS system and read the product data from the PIM and the ERP. The final module is the e-commerce. The cart and checkout are part of this module. So, as you have just seen in this example, everything works all together. There is an ongoing cooperation between all the different modules. Parttrap ONE is developed specifically for manufacturers and distributors, and it enables successful sales processes globally. Go to our website to find out more. Thank you for watching.